Mastercam Simulator now properly displays the selected Rapid Motion option located on the linear lathe page in the Control Definition dialog box when simulating a lathe machine. During simulation, the Move list now properly identifies multi-axis toolpaths. If Initial View is set to Optimized in the Simulation Options dialog box when simulating a mill turn toolpath, it now displays correctly in Mastercam Simulator. In the Simulator Options dialog box, you can now select meshes in addition to solids and surfaces to use as fixtures or stock. Additionally, the new Restore Settings button resets settings in the tab to their default values. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.